Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you the common mistakes which we do while applying eyeliners. But before going ahead, please subscribe to my channel. So as we know that there are different types of eyeliners which are available in the market. So let's start with the common mistake. The first is that never pull the skin outwards. Always start by applying liners from the middle of your eyelash line and apply it at the inner corner and then even it out and make a smooth line till the end. Make sure that the line is thin initially and becomes thicker as you go further to the outer corner of your eye. Stretch your eyes only if you get any gaps in between and fill the gaps with the eyeliner. Watch carefully how I'm applying the eyeliners and how I'm stretching it in order to remove any type of gaps which arise either in between the eyeliner and the eyelash line or in between the eyeliner. You have to make sure that the eyeliner is quite smooth when you apply it on your eyes. The next is that while applying matte eyeliners or kajal pencil as eyeliner, always start from the end of the eye and go further towards the inner corner of your eyes. Again, if you see any gaps in between, then stretch the skin around the eyes either outward or upward and fill the gaps. The point is that there shouldn't be any gap between your eyeliner and the eyelash and it should be a smooth line. Watch carefully how I'm doing this and follow these simple steps. The next point to notice is that if you want your eyes to look big, then just apply kajal or eyeliner at the half waterline like I'm doing it right now. Do not apply it at the inner side of the waterline. And after its application, just smudge it slowly and gently, either using the tip of your finger or you can even smudge it using the makeup brush. Do not smudge it in the downward direction, rather move the hands or the brush horizontally like I am doing it right now for all of you over here. So you can see how the look comes out once you apply a smooth eyeliner with half kajal at the bottom waterline. Talking about the winged eyeliners, the wing should always be upward. It shouldn't neither be straight nor downward. So basically, it should be a nice smooth diagonal line coming from above and mixing with your eyeliner which you have already applied on your eyelash line. Make sure that you connect your wing with the kajal which you have applied at the bottom waterline, so that it looks like a proper and clean winged eyeliner. Moreover, you can increase or decrease the thickness of your winged eyeliner depending upon your look. But it should always be a line coming from above and mixing with your eyeliner, not just a straight line. Right? So you may decide about the thickness. So here I have applied a very thin winged eyeliner and on this side I have applied a very thick cat eyeliner. So you have to follow this. So that was it for today. Stay tuned for my next video and subscribe my channel right now.